Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer your photos onto Canvas. It only takes a few steps, so yeah, let's jump right in. First, log into your Canvas account using your school or personal credentials. If you're already signed in, you can just skip ahead. Once you're inside, open the course where you want to upload the photos. It might take a second to load. Canvas can be a bit slow. Now, look over to the left menu and tap on Assignments. If your teacher wants photos for a discussion instead, you can go into the Discussions tab too. From here, choose the assignment where you need to upload your photos and click it to open the submission page. Scroll down until you see the Submit Assignment button and click it. Then hit Choose File, or Browse, depending on your device, and select your photos. You can upload more than one photo if the assignment allows it. After your photos finish loading, press Submit Assignment, Canvas will run a quick upload check, and then you'll see a green confirmation box. Yeah, that's how you know it worked. I always recommend scrolling down to make sure your photos show up in the submission area. If something looks weird, just delete the attempt and re-upload, and that's all you need to do to transfer your photos to Canvas. Super simple, once you've done it a few times. If this helped you out, feel free to follow along for more quick guides.